Hello everyone, good time. This is Jabal Alam B for you. Today's topic is very essential for you because I know you are learning English. Today I would like to describe about my country, Bangladesh. This video will be very simple to you. Let's start. Bangladesh is a beautiful country in South Asia. It became an independent country in 1971 after a liberation war. The capital city of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Our national language is বাংলা. For example, আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি। আমি দৈনিক ২টি করে ভিডিও আপলোড দেই। আপনি যদি ইংরেজি শিখতে চান তাহলে আমাকে ফলো করুন। Bangladesh is known for its natural beauty, rivers and green fields. It is called the land of rivers because many rivers flow through the country. The world's longest sea beach, Cox's Bazar, is located in Bangladesh, and the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest, is also in Bangladesh. The people of Bangladesh are friendly, hardworking, and hospitable. Agriculture, garments, and remittance play an important role in our economy. Bangladesh is a beautiful country of rich history, rich culture, and brave history. I am proud to be citizen of Bangladesh.